White pines survived the last ice age by hunkering down on the extreme eastern edge of the continental shelf. As the glaciers receded, the tree expanded its range westward, arriving in the Shenandoah Valley in Virginia about 12,700 years ago. Native Americans and early settlers mixed the tree's whitish resin with beeswax to seal the seams of canoes. By the 18th century, white pines had been logged so heavily for building material, making furniture and building British warships, the trees were almost gone. Unfortunately, the trees rebounded slowly from this over-harvesting, and few virgin stands remain. Nonetheless, white pine still is the most valuable softwood lumber in eastern North America. It's especially popular for interior trim, and this lovely conifer makes Christmas trees.